Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can really make certain eyeshadows pop. A lot of people aren't doing this step and it's so simple and so easy, but it makes a big difference. So I'm going to explain this and demonstrate it for you today. Now, this is only going to work with certain kinds of eyeshadows. So some examples of eyeshadows that this technique will work well with is Urban Decay Moondos, e.l.f. Finest Fleck eyeshadows that just came out that are fairly new. But today I'm going to use the MAC Dazzleshadow Extreme shadow as an example. This is what they call a molten metallic eyeshadow, and I have it in the shade Incinerated. And that is what I have on my eyes right now, but I haven't done the step yet because I want to show you like before and after. So that's what that looks like in the pot. So this is just regular applied, normally with a brush. And I want you to take a good look at that eyeshadow, okay? It's pretty, it's reflective, but we're really going to make it pop. And all I'm going to do is spray setting spray. And I don't think a lot of people know that when you use setting spray on this shadow or the other shadows that I just mentioned, it's just going to take it to the next level. And I don't normally like to do this only because I just washed my hair this morning, so it's nice and clean and fluffy. And if I use setting spray, it's going to get in my hair and it's not going to be clean anymore. So pardon me while I shut the camera off, put a hat on to protect my hair, and we're going to do the demonstration with a hat on because I don't want my hair to be dirty on the very first day that I washed it. So be right back. Okay, so my hair is completely covered, and now I'm going to use the setting spray. So I actually have two different kinds that I want to try out. I would like to use one on one side of my face and the other on the other side of my face just to see how they perform, which one works better for this technique, because these are two very different kinds of setting sprays in terms of formula. I have the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, and I have the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second Setting Mist. Now, this one is more of a wet, liquidy setting spray, and this one is more of a sticky, long-lasting type setting spray. They're both good, they're just different, okay? So the e.l.f. one we're going to do on this side. So let's start with that. I'm going to get my trusty fan out because this definitely needs to be fanned out. Otherwise, you're going to end up with water droplets on your face. So let's do this side. Yeah, I hate having to fan my setting spray, but yeah, I don't want any big water droplets on my face. Okay, so that's what that looks like with the e.l.f. And now let's see. The L'Oreal one does not need to be fanned because it's not watery and it dries in 3 seconds, literally. So yeah, let's cover the e.l.f. side now. One, two, three, dry. Okay, let's look. Now, to me, this side looks way more reflective to me than the e.l.f. side does. So if you're going to use this technique, the lesson that we just learned is you want a long-lasting setting spray, not a watery one. This can be a good setting spray, though. If your makeup looks too powdery, it will take down that powderiness. But for this particular thing that we're doing today with the enhancing of the eyeshadow, you want this type of setting spray. Urban Decay makes a good one. There's other ones out there besides the L'Oreal one, but I really like this setting spray a lot. And yeah, and another thing about setting spray is it makes if you have like shimmery blush on, like I have on NARS Orgasm today, and this side really made the blush pop too. So yeah, that definitely, this side looks more reflective to me. I can see the way the light is creating like a halo in the center of my eyes. So just wanted to let you guys know about that because I don't think a lot of people know about this. And why don't I take off my hat so you can see the finished look with my hair down. All right, so took off the hat, put my earrings back on, and that is the finished look. So thank you so much for watching and following, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.